Hello.
Hi.
Do you know that you were supposed to be here at 4 o'clock for your interview? Because that messes everybody up when you're not here on time. You need to be on time for your interviews.
Yeah.
So you have taken what project?
This one.
What is this one?
Vet science.
Is this
Two.
number 2? Did you take vet science number 1?
No.
Well, wasn't it hard to take vet science 2 if you didn't take 1?
It was not hard. I didn't do it.
You didn't do anything in your book? Did you read the book?
No.
Because there's a lot of really interesting things in this book to learn. Do you take animals, livestock, to the fair?
I have a cat.
You have a cat.
Yeah.
Well, there's vets that work with cats. So do you have a display poster or any kind of display for this?
I didn't do the book, so I don't have a display.
Well, it's interesting to me that you would take this project. Why did you take this project? Are you interested in that?
No, my mom made me.
Okay. Did you take any projects that you wanted to take?
No,
Okay.
not really.
Well, what you need to do in order to complete this for your advisor would be to do some of it and then schedule an absentee judging so you can get credit for it. Okay? And maybe next year you'll take an easier project. Find some projects that you like, okay?
Yeah.
All right, thank you for coming.
Hello, my name's Macy Ott.
Hi, Macy. It's nice to meet you.
You.
So, and your project is
The Vet Science 2.
Vet Science 2. Did you take Vet Science 1?
I did, and I learned a lot, and I wanted to keep pursuing the series.
Okay. And some of the things, let's go over some of the things that you learned in your book. So you have lots of pictures and...
There's definitely a lot of papers and pictures and everything in here for the activities.
Okay, well, one of the things that it discussed in the book, what are the 3 types of muscle tissue?
There's skeletal, cardiac, and smooth.
Okay. Why is it important for your animals' living quarters to be sanitary?
So that they can stay healthy.
Okay, and that's very important at the fair, isn't it?
Yes.
One of the things it talks about in there is your newborn livestock. What's the name of the milk which the mothers first produce at giving birth?
Colostrum.
Okay. Tell me, you said you really enjoyed this project.
Yes.
Do you think you would take the 3rd-year project?
Yes, definitely. I plan on taking it next year.
Okay. Will you explain your poster to me now?
Yes. First, the food goes through the esophagus and travels into the rumen, which is the part of the steer stomach that digests the roughage, the feed, and processes the nutrients of the animal that it will absorb. And the microorganisms like bacteria digest the food, which is, the rumen is also known as the fermentation vat, and it allows them to digest cellulose food and plants. Next it goes to the reticulum, which is like the honeycomb, and it takes all the water out. And then after the reticulum, they regurgitate the food to rechew it. And then next it goes into the omasum, and then it goes into the abomasum, which is called the true stomach, which is called the true stomach because it's a lot like the human stomach. And after it goes through the abomasum, it goes through the small intestine and large intestine and then gets exited through the body.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to tell me about your project anything that you've learned that you'd like to share with us?
I learned that there was also a lot more species of animals that also are ruminants, which means there's 4 compartments to the one stomach,
Uh-huh.
like sheep, goats, and deer.
Oh,
So
okay.
it was very interesting to find that out.
Okay, well, it is very nice talking to you. Thank you for being on time.
Thank you.
And good luck continuing your studies.
Thank you.